Good day to you all. I am Dr. J. Felicita Florence, Assistant Professor of Chemistry, Holy Cross College, Tiruchirappalli, Tamil Nadu. I am going to share my knowledge on how to create an animated e-content in MS PowerPoint. Let us see the steps you have to follow to give animations. First, go to Home and click on New Slide and select Blank Layout. And then insert image or text to which the animation has to be given. Let's see the steps. First, go to Home and insert the new slide with blank layout. Then go to Insert and insert picture. I usually save all my pictures in my desktop. And I select this butterfly image. Now I am going to explain you all to give animation to this title, how to create an animated e-content. First, select the title and go to Animations in the task pane. Click on Animation pen in the right side. Immediately, Animation pane appears to the right side of the slide pane. I have already applied animations to this title. So first remove all this. After removing this, click on Add Animation. There are 4 options to apply. The effects are entrance, emphasis, exit and motion paths. We have more entrance, emphasis, exit and motion paths too. So in the entrance you have number of options. So I am going to give fly in option. It comes like this. You have seen here there are number of options. So add your choice of animation. So I am selecting this float in option. It comes like this. Immediately you have noticed that the effect you have given displays in the slide pane. If you want to change this, you click remove so that the effect will be removed. Near the title you have seen number 1. This tells that this effect will appear on click with your mouse. If your animation effect will appear automatically, you have to go to Start button in the animation and change on click by with previous. If you select with previous, automatically the title will appear. Then you can notice number 0 in the animation pen. If you want to give animations to other sentences in this slide, select one by one and follow the steps what you have applied for the title. First select the steps to create animations. If you select float in option and then you move on, click Start button to decide whether this particular sentence will appear with the title or after the title. If you give with previous, it will come along with the title. If you want this sentence will appear after the title, then you have to select after previous. So go to preview show. You will see this sentence will appear after the title. Like that, you have to apply animations for the other two sentences also. Then go to preview. In the task pane, the slide will appear like this. Text in the slide will appear automatically. The next step is to fix the timing. For that, you have to go to animation pane and click this down arrow. You have seen timing. Click on this new dialog box will be opened. Now you can go and change the duration. How will it appear? Either slow or fast. You can change as your wish. Now I select this medium option and then click OK. You have noticed the trigger. You have to check whether the first option is there and then click OK. Like that, you have to change the timing for other sentences also. Select the medium duration for all the other two sentences also. And click OK. One by one you have to do. So and then go to preview show. You will see the slide will appear with animations. Hope you all understood to how to give animations to the text. Now I am going to explain you to create an animated scene like this. I will show this in slideshow. I am going to explain you to create an animated scene like this. I will show this in slideshow. This appears like this. For this, you have to download the images for the scene what you need. So for this animated scene, the images needed are sun GIF image, birds GIF image, butterfly GIF image, and nature background PNG. GIF image is nothing but it's a graphics interchange format. It's an animated file, and the PNG image is a portable network graphics. It's an unpatented file format, so we can use it for all purposes. So download the above images and save it in your PC or your laptop. Now we are going to see the steps to follow to give animations. First, insert nature background and drag and resize it for the particular slide. So select the new slide. Go to insert and insert the background image. It is there. So now drag this image and resize it for the slide. Next step is to insert butterfly and apply animation, that is a zigzag animation we have to apply. So go to insert and insert picture, insert the butterfly image and resize it, make it small. And then go to animations and click on add animation and select the motion path of zigzag motion, so that you are getting a zigzag motion. Drag the motion path from left to right. If you want to see this, go to preview show. And go to the timing and fix 3 seconds, that is slow. And also you have to change the repeat option as until the end of the slide, so that it will appear till the end of the slide. And then we insert sun and keep it in the top right corner. For that you have to go to insert and insert pictures. Here I am searching for the sun GIF image. I am searching for the apt sun image. So okay, no problem, we will select this and resize it. But this is not suitable for this particular scene. So we move on to the already animated scene and cut the sun and paste it in this slide and replace this sun by mistake. I copied that background image, so again I copy that sun image only and paste it in our slide. Next we move on to insert walking women and apply animation, that is a motion path straight line from right to left. For that you have to go to insert and insert picture and select this walking woman and drag it and resize it and keep it outside the background image, so that if you give animation, that is add animation, that is a straight line, make this line to move from left to right. So you have to adjust like this. If you keep this walking woman in the outside of the background, so that when you give animation, she walks from outside. So okay, we have to adjust and then go to start and click with previous, so that everything will appear at the same time. Next, go to the timing and change the duration as very slow, 5 seconds, and click OK, so that she walks very slowly. And then we move on to the next step to insert birds and apply animation. So again move on to insert and insert pictures. I'm searching for the birds. I'm selecting this. So here you drag and keep it outside the background. And then apply animation, add animation of straight line, so that the birds will move from right to left. So adjust the line make it to move up. Do it slowly. So make it from, that is move from outside, that is from right side of the slide to the left side. Make it straight Yeah, it's perfect. So, and then you move on to see this by go to the preview show and also select this birds with previous and also change the timing as 3 seconds and the repeat as until the end of the slide. So go to preview. You can see the wonderful animated scene. Like that, you can create an animated e-content. Hope you all enjoy learning. Thank you. Stay home and stay safe.